Welcome to McMaster's applicant document upload tutorial. Today, we're going to explain the new process for uploading your documents to the applicant portal. Before you start, disable any pop-up blockers you have on your browser. Sign into the applicant portal at applicant.mcmaster.ca. Once you're in, scroll down and click on Complete Your Admission Requirements. Here you'll find your checklist. Outstanding items will have an Attach File button next to them. Remember, all documents you upload need to be in PDF format. If multiple documents need to be uploaded to one checklist item, please combine them into a single PDF before uploading. Try not to upload the same checklist item multiple times. This will delay processing. Once you click Attach File, a pop-up will appear asking you to log in a second time. Sometimes this pop-up will appear behind your current browser window, so look behind your current window if you only see a spinning wheel. In the pop-up, type your Mac ID plus @mcmaster.ca as your username. Then type in your password. You'll be taken to a screen where you can pick an attachment to upload. Select Choose File and pick your file. Then select Upload. A progress wheel will appear as your document uploads, followed by a Document Uploaded Successfully message. Repeat this process for all your outstanding checklist items. Remember, this is the only official way to upload documents. Unless you have been personally instructed to email them, they will not be seen. If you encounter any problems, don't worry. Our team can help you via our online chat at future.mcmaster.ca.